When I browse these videos over the internet, so many people are nowadays recording their videos like me and telling so many different things. I am very clear that they have found their life purpose. Very clear. And you know what their life purpose is? The life purpose is to purposely confuse you about your purpose. Because they make you feel as if you have no purpose, your life is useless. Let me tell you, if you keep on doing what you're doing, and you do it by bringing your heart into that, few years from now, people will ask you, oh, what's your life purpose? And you'll say, this is my life purpose. Yes, there's no purpose in life. Life has only one purpose. Do well what you're doing, what you need to do. Right now, if you're a business owner, you need to take care of your accounts, even if you don't like them. You need to chase the sales goals that your company has. If you are a parent, you need to find something that can help your kid grow as a human being. Make them feel independent, make them grow. No matter what you're doing in life, just do it so well. Do it so well that, after a few years from now, you look back and you say, yes, I found my purpose long back. And trust me, that day will never come when you will suddenly, realize, oh, this is my life purpose. That day will never come. So do it well. Don't just listen to this people who are telling you that you must find your purpose because they have found their purpose to confuse you.